Hello, welcome to the next part of the our previous topic which we were doing in the zip file, and we learned in the previous video that how to create the zip file and how to read the data from the zip file, as you can see in your this screen. Okay, in the today's further lecture, whatever topic I need to explain in that order, I am going to explain you how to track the zip contents. Okay, so let me make it comment here only. The third prospect related to zip file before extracting, I will explain about I can say track zip contents. Understood? So to do that, first let me write the our requirements. So so what I wanted to do here, track zip contents. Okay. Now how to do that? So to do that, firstly you have to import the zip file. Okay, this module we have to import, and this time we need one more module called as operating system. Operating system module only you need if you are not in the right directory and you want to change the directory. Since I am in the same directory where my all the files are there, so I'm not going to change any directory. But in case if you want to change, you have to use this particular you know uh, library. So I'm not going to use. After that, what I will do here, I will use my previous zip file, which variable we had created now, where we had stored our zip file. Okay, so see how I will use it. So example zip, and now same thing, zip file dot zip method. Okay, you may find it like zip file method. You can get here. Okay, now inside that, the folder name, zip folder name, from which you want to track the content. Okay, let's say I had given the folder name new.zip. Okay, new.zip. You may remember from the previous lecture. Huh? Before watching up this video, before coming to this video, the part one you have to watch. Then only you can understand. Okay, now after this, just print one message like tracking the zip contents. Okay, and give the backslash n so that the whatever next you want in the new line that should come. Then one by one, maybe you have hundreds of things inside the zipped file. So one by one you wanted to get it. So let me take one variable in the loop file, and which will one by one list. Okay, so last time even I used the same thing, example zip dot name list, because you want to use all the data in the list and come inside the loop and print like I can give this some message like found, okay, comma, and the simple file which will iterate. Okay, which will iterate in the loop, through the loop. Okay, this is very simple concept I have done. Basically that is not that much complex to understand. Okay, after that close it, because I did not use alias. Sometime I'm going through the aliasing, sometime I'm going through like that only. Now if everything is fine, let me take you the new.zip file. You may observe here what is inside that I wanted to track, and that I will list through this function by calling this function. Okay, now run it. You may observe here found, and inside that data called as city.txt. Okay, so let me take you of that. This is the zip file. Let me click on this. I can't open it, but if you are doing the same thing, go to your the folder. Okay, go to the folder and just open the zip, and you can might track the same thing, but by coding you can in the console you can observe that this is the file here. Okay, this is how you can track the contents from the zip file by writing such code. Okay, so this you understood. Now what if I want to extract? Observe here, still this new.zip file folder is zipped in the zip format. What if I will extract it? Extract means it will return the normal folder. Okay, you see how to do that. So my next task is to extract zip file. Okay, extract zip file. I am explaining here slow. You might increase 1.5. Okay, while running the video. So to do that, again, I need to import the, as usual, zip file. This is a requirement. Okay, sorry, zip file. This library I need. After that, as usual, example, zip one variable I will take. In that, again, same thing, the particular module, under that, the method name zip file method. Inside that, I have to paste the folder path. So new.zip file in my system, it is there. Okay. Uh, the folder where I'm working on. Okay. So let me go there. It will not reflect on you, but I am doing in my system. Okay. I'm locating the new zip file, and that I will copy and path, and the same thing you have to do in your system. Okay. Now with the raw string, I have pasted here. This I have copied as a path, where where it is in the D drive in my folder system. In the D drive, the Python second semester 2026, in that one folder I have created to store all the program V2 Python code. Inside that, this zip file is there that you can observe here. Okay, the same folder opened here, and inside that this folder is there. Same thing. It is hovering it, and it is visible. Might it is visible for you also. Okay, so this is path I have copied. Since I need to extract the new.zip file. Okay, so it is located in that path only. After that, there is some functions are there. For example, you want to extract single file, or you want to single folder, or you want to extract those all the content from the folder. So you see how to do. Example, zip dot. This is variable which I have taken, where I have hold this all path. Okay. After that, first I will extract all. You see, you can observe extract or extract all. What operation? If extract all, you are giving a even new zip, new.zip is containing folder, subfolder, multiple file, all will get extract. But if you are using only extract, might it will extract only folder or only one file. I will show you how it will work. Since I have only content, so it will might not make much sense, but you can practice for the big folders also. Okay. So here inside this method, what I'll do here, I'll paste the same path, but this time what I will do now, I will give the new folder name. Okay, new folder name. Let's say this is new name. This folder will be extracted and will be appeared by this name. Okay. So now I will just, for my confirmation, I will print one message. What I will print message? Files extracted successfully. Okay. Now again you have to close the your variable object. Okay. Save it and try to run it. And I am getting the error Unicode space error. So I should use here raw string. Okay, that's all. You understood, na? What kind of error we are getting now? File is extracted. Okay. Now let me take you where it is extracted. This was the new folder. Okay. I can't open it, but I should see the name which I had given. What name I have given? Uh, Name I have given new name. The folder new name should be somewhere which is extracted. I think I should go inside the folder, then only I can see that. Okay. Mm. You might able to see. I'm just checking where I will get that. Okay, you can see here. This is the folder inside that city.txt. Okay, new name. This is how you can extract, and the same thing will be in your real folder also. Okay, and this is the data you may see. Okay, so this is what the purpose of extraction. Again, I will take you back on the zip.py, and this is the code to extract entire data from the folder. What if you want to extract only one file? So you may use only extract. You may use only extract. Okay, for example, city.txt only you want to. So only you need to replace this by extract. Or else let me just explain that also. Because in an exam might they will ask these things. So here, what I will do in the extracting. Okay, leave it. This I will explain in the classroom, but I hope you got the other options. So this you have done. Now next task is what I'll do here. I will append. I will perform the what I will do. I will add files. I will add files into existing zip file. Okay, this is now my task. So to do that, let me just snooze my AI so that I can smoothly perform my work. Now, if you want to perform here, you have to use append mode. So how you will do that? You know the creation process the same way. You have to just append it in the existing file. Let's say import zip file. Okay, import zip file. And next, let's take one variable called as new zip. Okay, and here, same way, just a zip file library which you have quoted in that zip file method. Inside that, just paste your path for which folder you wanted to do. Let's say the same new, which is we have created, no? New. Okay, let me go inside and let me take the path for the new dot zip. Okay, so that I can work on my. It's you have to be very careful while working on this path. Okay, always copy the path. After that, once you've done it, inside that comma, open that zip file in append. Understood? So I applied appending. I wanted to perform append. Now what I wanted to append, so I will use this variable object new.zip dot I want to write, no? I want to add. So at the last of that every file, it will add the another file which you wanted to keep. Okay. Let's say I have some file in my folder. Let me check which file I have so that I can add it. Let's say I have one file called as data, which is containing some data. Okay. So I'm going to copy the path of that particular text file. And with the raw string, I have pasted that data.txt. This is the file in the existing folder. Okay. So this I wanted to keep inside that. And when I want to keep this inside, no, I have to use compress. So it will compress also. Compress type equals to zip file. Zip file. This is syntax actually. Zip deflated. Zip all are in caps letter. Zip underscore. You have to find, yeah, zip deflated. This you have to, this attribute you have to call, you have to use. Okay, I have used now. Now close the bracket, come out, now print Now print. What you want to print? You say here new file added at last in the zip. Okay, in the zip. Okay, now after that you have to which variable object you are using that you have to close. Please don't forget this closing if you are not working with the aliasing. So this is the code to add the file. How to add the file? First import the module called as zip file. After that, just give the path and use it in append mode, then write it, okay? Write method, and just new file, just add it in it. And at the same time, you compress it. This is the formula for compression. Compress underscore type equals to zip file dot zip deflected. This line is to only compress. Otherwise, it will make only zip, it will not compress, okay? Compression means reducing the size also. So run it. So you see here file is added. If it is true, then I should see in the folder somewhere file where I will see the folder in the new zip, new.zip. I should get in this folder I should get the data.txt. So let me locate where is the data.txt, whether it is there or not in the zip format. So data dot let me take you. Okay, yeah, you will find here. Okay. Data.txt, and that the same thing now inside that new zip also. If you unzip it now, you will get the same files inside that. It is there. You can cross verify in your real folder also. Okay. So this is the way to uh, add the file inside the zipped file. Okay. So this is the code. A small code. Please practice it. If you are getting confusion, please ask. Okay. And I think I'm done with the concepts. In the next video, I will come with the experiment number 7. Okay, that video I will share. After this, I will not include in this, otherwise it will get more lengthy. If any doubt on these topics, please talk with me. I will explain. Okay, individually you can meet and you can discuss and utilize it. Okay, be careful while using the this path only. If anyone is getting permission denied or any other error, this means some path mismatch problem only. Other than everything is fine. Okay. Try to work. If not able to perform, let me know. I will help you. Okay. So I'm stopping here only this video. Okay. Thank you for